Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from today's video, I am making a video about your YouTube views, why they might be low, and some things that you can do to potentially fix them and help yourself out. This little hack worked for me, so I'm just spreading information and trying to help you guys out. So let's get straight to the point. So I know sometimes we small creators, we post on here and we feel like we have good content, clear content, or maybe even the length of the video is a good length. It's not too short, it's not too long, and maybe you have a good thumbnail as well. You feel like you check all the boxes and your video is still not getting views. Why is that? So we're gonna talk about that today. Okay, so as we all know, YouTube's algorithm is very iffy. You can have a video do 100K and then you can have another video do 100 views. That's personally happened to me before, but sometimes it's not about the quality content that you post. It's not about the topic that you're posting about. It's not about the length of your video or your thumbnail. Sometimes it's something so simple, so small, like settings that you have under your video. So, okay, so one of the things that you can do if you feel like you've checked all these boxes off, you can pull up your YouTube studio, and I'm gonna post it right here so you guys can see. So if you wanna edit your videos, or in the future when you make videos, you wanna follow along and do this, you can. So, okay, so you want to, when you're editing your video in your YouTube studio, you wanna go to the pencil, which is right there, and then you're gonna go down to where you see right here the topic. So right there where you see topics, you're gonna click on more options category right there towards the bottom, and then once you hit that, you'll see where it says categories, and right there you see where it says people and blogs. You're gonna click that. And then the next thing that you want to go ahead and do is once you click that, you're going to see all of these different categories pop up. For me, I mostly post about people and blogs, so automatically YouTube has that as my settings. When you first create a channel, they do ask you what you're going to be posting about. So whenever I post a video, all of my videos are underneath that setting. So if you're posting a video, let's say you're posting a video for how to do this, how to fix that, how to style this. You want to actually go there, change that setting, and you want to click on how to, if that's what your video is about. Because let's say you normally post about people and blogs, and this video is not about people and blogs. Okay, you need to try to find an audience and let YouTube filter where your video belongs. So more people who are looking for that sort of video will be able to find it, and it'll have a better chance of getting in the algorithm. So I did change this setting on videos that do not apply to people and blogs for me, and it did help the right people who were looking for my videos find them. For instance, I have a video on my page, make sure you go check it out. It's about how much my first YouTube check was, and that one is not under people and blogs, it's actually under entertainment or how to. And as you can see in the comments, if you check it out, it's a lot of people commenting about their first check or their YouTube journey or how to. And yeah, so sometimes it's not about your content, it's about, the settings or nicking and, adjusting them and just tweaking them a little. That's what you have to do. A big part of figuring out YouTube in your journey is learning new things as they come out. Definitely trying new things, not just sticking to one thing. Although that does help for certain people, I do feel like if your engagement is low or if your views are low all of a sudden, or if they just always have been low, I do feel like it's healthy to switch some things up. So I would recommend you go there and, toggle with that and change that. Another thing you can do is if you are posting a video or short, you can link a related video underneath there in the same settings. When you go to the pencil and you go to edit, you can link a video. It'll say related video, click on it, and you choose which video is related. So that way, when people see your new video, they're able to click on your old video without having to physically go and search. But yeah, these things help me. And as you can see, if you look at my channel, I do have related videos underneath my new videos. And you know, it does drive the views up. So hopefully this works for you guys. It worked for me. And good luck with you guys' YouTube journey. If you have any other tips and tricks to help get views, or you want to share with them, feel free to comment below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.